Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're noticing an Explorer.EXE blank dialog window when your computer starts up and there's a yellow exclamation mark on it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Regedit, so Regedit. Best result should come back with Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now before you proceed, I would suggest you create a backup of the registry, so if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range, keep that at all, and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. And then once it's done, if you ever need to import it back in, you just could select File and then Import, and then navigate to set file location. So again, pretty straightforward process. And we are now ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing now for Microsoft. Go down to Windows NT, double click on that. Should be a current version folder under here, double click on that. And then finally there should be a Windows folder, so just left click on that one time. There should be a load value on the right side here, so go double click on it. If anything is in this value data field, you want to go ahead and delete it. So just make sure it's blank like you see it on my screen here, and then select OK. Once you're done with that, you want to go close out of the Registry Editor, restart your computer, and then once you restart, hopefully that pop-up should no longer be appearing. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.